We've all seen the screenshots, the $5,000 months, the passive income dashboards, but nobody talks about the burnout required to get there. You're told to write a blog post every day, script 3 videos a week, and manage social media. If you're doing that manually right now, you are already losing. The secret to the faceless creator economy isn't working harder. It's cloning yourself. Today, I'm not just reviewing an AI tool. I'm showing you the exact engine used by top affiliate marketers to scale from 0 to 5K out a month without typing a single word yourself. If you aren't using this specific workflow I'm about to show you, you are leaving free money on the table. What's going on, guys? Today we are deep diving into Writesonic. Now you might be thinking, another AI writer? No, ChatGPT is a chatbot. Writesonic is a business builder specifically designed for SEO, high-ranking blogs, and YouTube scripts. Here is the promise. This tool solves the 2 biggest problems preventing you from making money online: quality and scale. Most AI sounds robotic. Writesonic fixes that with custom brand voices. Most AI hallucinates facts. Writesonic browses the live internet. By the end of this video, you won't just see how it works. You'll have a strategy to use this tool to build a recurring affiliate income stream. Let's stop talking and start building. I'm going to time this. Watch how we turn a simple keyword into a 2,000-word money-making article. We are using Article Writer 5.0. This is the bread and butter. Let's say our niche is home coffee brewing. I'll type in the topic, best espresso machines under $500. Watch this. This is the game changer. Writesonic analyzes the top-ranking articles on Google right now. I select these 3 competitors. Now, the AI knows exactly what it needs to beat to rank number 1. Most people fail because their content sounds like a robot. I'm selecting my casual tech reviewer brand voice. Now, the AI mimics my style. I hit generate article. Look at the speed, but look at the structure. It's adding an introduction, H2 tags, pros and cons lists, and a conclusion. It's even adding an FAQ section for SEO schema. Read this sentence. Let's be real, nobody wants to drink bean water that tastes like mud. That is nuance. That is personality. And it took us less than 2 minutes. You can take this script, paste it into your blog, or use it as a voiceover script for a YouTube video. Okay, the tool is cool, but how does this put $5,000 in your pocket? The math is simple, but the work is hard, unless you have Writesonic. To make 5K a month, you need volume. You need to be publishing 30 to 50 pieces of content a month to trigger the algorithms. If you write manually, that takes 100 hours. With Writesonic, that takes 5 hours. Here is the 5K strategy. Pick a high-value niche: software, tech, finance. Use Writesonic's keyword researcher to find low-competition topics. Use Article Writer 5.0 to generate 30 posts this weekend. Embed your affiliate links inside that high-quality content. Rinse and repeat. This is an asset-building game. Each article is a digital employee working for you 24/7. Writesonic allows you to hire 100 digital employees for the price of a monthly pizza. That is how you scale. You stop being a writer and you start being a CEO. Listen, the faceless gold rush is happening right now. The barrier to entry has never been lower, which means competition is getting higher. The people who win are the ones who move fast. You can spend the next 6 months struggling to write 1 post a week, or you can click the link in the description right now. I've partnered with Writesonic to get you a free trial so you can generate your first high-ranking article today. Don't just watch this video and do nothing. Test the brand voice feature yourself. See the quality. If you are serious about that 5K month goal, you need the right tools. Click the link, sign up, and let the AI do the heavy lifting. I'll see you on the leaderboard.